it's Jill and welcome to another edition of Jilly Makes a Cake. This is a little bit of fun for you to have on how to decorate cupcakes for Thanksgiving and even Christmas, because they are going to be turkeys. That's right, we are going to change these little delicious vanilla cupcakes into really cool, really fun, funky looking turkeys. Now you can do this on your own and prepare them for the special day, or you can get everybody together and just add a load of bowls to a table, make a load of cupcakes and just have a load of fun and have a competition who can decorate the best turkey cupcake. So much fun. First of all, what I want you to do before you get any of that started is you need to make yourself a vanilla cupcake, and I will leave the link down below. I will also leave you a link on how to make the most delicious vanilla buttercream. You are going to need this too. And you're also going to need a host of other things, and I'm going to show you them right now, so get ready. In order to make the buttercream brown, you need to add a little bit of cocoa powder. First of all, we're going to swirl on the chocolate covered buttercream onto the top of the cupcake. After that, we're going to use a couple of different things. We're going to use Maltesers. Ours in the US come in a little box. In the UK, they come in a box or a bag. Grab yourself just a small amount, otherwise you'll end up eating them all like I'm probably going to do. We're going to add these on top of the turkey any way that you want. Then you're going to add a little bit of buttercream to the back of an eyeball. You can buy these from any art supply store or baking supply store. You can even get them online. I will leave the link below. They're little candy crunchy eyeballs. Now you're going to add those wherever you want because it's your turkey. I also have a little bit of orange fondant and a little bit of red fondant. If you don't have any fondant, you can make some. There is a video on homemade fondant and you just add some colouring to it. Or you can literally go to wilton.com or Amazon and buy some orange and red ready-made fondant. You're also going to need the pièce de résistance, which is candy corn, or you can get chocolate buttons. Anything you want. That you can get white chocolate buttons and brown chocolate buttons and make a little flurry of flowers. We're just going to make it up as we go along. Okay, first things first, we need to turn this buttercream into a brown buttercream. So I'm guessing you all have your ingredients ready, and I'm going to just dive right in. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Brown. So now we've got brown buttercream. It can be as brown as you want it. You can have it really dark brown, you can have it light brown. I have a vanilla cupcake also. You can make chocolate cupcakes. So I'm going to use a really thick nozzle. Don't forget, drop the nozzle into the bag all the way to the bottom. You want a really snug fit on the nozzle because you don't want any oozing out of the bag. So as you can see, it's just poking through. Take the icing bag, wrap your hand around and then turn the icing bag over your hand, making a cup. We're going to scoop in our buttercream. Be generous. And I hope all of you are following this. And if you're doing it as a game, I bet it's a lot of fun. Don't need to use it all, but okay, when you have your buttercream in your icing bag, you're going to turn it inside out, drop it down, you have all of your buttercream in the end. So holding onto the icing bag, finger and thumb around the top, you're going to take a cupcake. Everyone listen, if you're doing this as a group, hold the bag vertical, only pressure from one hand. You can guide with a finger, but that's about it. We want a nice round bubble. So we're going to start in the middle and we're going to just keep pressing, swirl around, keep pressing, down and up. Okay, so we have one. Bring your buttercream down. Same again. Vertical, allow some buttercream to come out, a nice generous amount. Then we start swirling, down and up. Okay, I love loads of buttercream, if you didn't know. Don't scrimp on buttercream. I mean, I'm probably only going to eat one cupcake, so let's go to town. In the middle, push, 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 all the way out and up. Okay, so what I've done is I've added a Malteser and I've added an eyeball and an eyeball. Because they're edible, they're going to start melting with the buttercream anyway. We're going to grab our candy corn and we're going to go poking these into here. So much fun. I'd love to see what yours looks like. This is not like the absolute way you should be able to do it. There should be so many ways that you can have fun doing this. So we now have our little candy corn plumes. You can add even more. You can just keep on adding, add as many as you want. We will put this in the refrigerator for a very small amount of time also. So the next part is really up to you. How do we make a beak? I would suggest a little piece of orange fondant and a little piece of red fondant. It's here. And we're gonna make this one a little bit longer and lay him down the side of the orange. He's very sticky because my hands are warm. And there is our turkey cupcake. I hope you can see him. He looks real funny and real cute. I'm going to put him in the refrigerator for a small amount of time just to really set the buttercream. So here are my 3 turkey cupcakes all ready for Thanksgiving and even Christmas. I'm probably going to make maybe another 10 more so that everybody can share them. They're super fun, super delicious. And if you do have a turkey cupcake decorating competition, I mean, how much fun are you going to have? Make sure you take a picture and tag me in it. On Instagram, I'm at Jill Penfold. Don't forget, I'm not a professional. I really just do this because I love it, and I really hope that you do too. Baking is fun. It's a really good way to just entertain yourself. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the button and subscribe, wherever that button is, somewhere on this screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.